All right, what's up, YouTube gang? All right, so today we're going to go over my dividend payout from YieldMax, I believe Defiance, for this month for September. We still have one more to go, but we're going to go over what we got now. So this is live right now. This is about 1:30 Central Standard Time. Quick review of overall. In the past hour, we're up almost $200. For the day, we're up almost $1,400 for 5%, a little bit over 5%. That's good. For the week, we made some progress. We're up over $1,500. Uh, for the past month, we're down 13. For the past 3 months, we're down just a little bit over $4,300. Year to date, we're looking at about almost $3,400 being down. For the year, we're currently down almost $3,300. And all time, we are down 11,000 for 28%, which is a big progress over the past week. Cause I think earlier on in the week we was down as much as right at $17,000 to $18,000 for 44%. All right, we're seeing our buying power. Our buying power is currently at almost 9,000. We've done some things, but let's get right into the to our dividend payouts. All right, so first on the list here we have Misty. So Misty, our market value is at 15,000. We currently have a new average price of 22.33. We brought some more dividends. Some more shares. And we currently have 700 shares of Misty. All right. Let's get down here to what we got. Let's see our dividends. Here we go. Right here. All right. So we can see right here that at the time we had 420 shares for $1.85. We got paid $778.72 for Misty. Pretty good. Now Misty, we can see here for the past year they have paid out $15.81 year to date. For a dividend yield of 73.87% according to stock analysis. Here are the recent payout: 412, 252, 303, 232, 194, and 185, which is incredible. Very nice. $15.81. It's hard to beat that. All right, so next on the list is AIYY. Now, we have a market value of 176, average price 16.90, and we have 20 shares. Let's see what we got paid out. All right, let's see here. Dividend, is this right? Yep, September the 9th. All right, so on 20 shares, we got paid out 30 cents per share for a total of $7.21 payout for YIYY, which we don't have a lot of, but you can see here the last. How do we close this? All right, oops, that ain't what we want. Here we go. So you can see over the past 3 months we had 794, 714, 721. For the year to date, they've paid out $5.94 with a 62% yield. And here are our payout history: 134, 40 cents, 106, 72, 40 cents, 88 cents, 40 cents, 36 cents, and 36 cents. Okay, it's not bad. Next on the list, we have IWMY, Defiance. We have 308, that's a market value. Average price, we haven't bought any additional shares. We're still at 8.6. Let's check out our dividend history. We can see they had a split, a 1-for-3 split back on around August the 1st. We got paid out $31.58 for IWMY. And year to date, they have paid out $32.50. Is that right for the year? Wow. Oh, well, all these numbers are reverse split type numbers, or yeah. So you have to take this, what is this? 32, 32.50. Let me do this on my calculator right here. You don't see it on screen, but 32.5 divided by 3. So a total about $10.83 year to date is what they paid out. Next, we have Tesla. We have a market value just over 2,000. Average cost now of $15.01. We still have 159 shares. Let's look at our payout. All right, so September 9th, we got paid out $130.98. Our previous payout was $57.97. And on August 7th, right before, we bought 100 shares. All right, let's see what Tesla is doing. So year to date, they have paid out $11.08. Here's the payout history going all the way back. Well, we don't want to go back to 2023. Let's keep it in 2024. 111.80, 81, 68, 69, 64, $1.96, and 81 cents. So that's Tesla's payout year to date. All right, next on our account is OT or Ultra. All right, so we have a market value of $494. We have an average cost of $14.98. 45 shares. Now here Jay said that they've made some changes, like some sort of credit thing to Ultra to help save some of the NAV. All right, the NAV, I mean. All right, so in the past June we had $34.01. July we had $44.88. And then August the 16th, $35.11. So we should be getting a payout here shortly with Ultra. 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 All right. And they have paid out $6.67 for the year. Here are the payouts: 106, 141, 127, 113, 99 cents, and 78 cents. Not bad. 61 cents return. All right. Next on the list is YBIT. All right. This is YBIT. All right, so market value is 13.16. Average price is 13.49. We still have 100 shares. We bought 100 shares on August the 7th, and we got paid out on September the 9th, $72.16. And what was that payout? That payout was 72 cents. And we can see for the year we have $3.98. 137, 121, 67, and 72. All right, moving right along, we've got YieldMax. YieldMax, now they did announce that YieldMax is becoming a weekly pan ETF, YieldMax and YMAG. So that's something you may want to look into if you're owners of this position. You may want to increase it, but we're going to be getting weekly payouts. I think a lot of people were asking for it on YouTube in the community, and Jay now made it happen. All right, so here we have $41.52, average cost of 2016, and just barely a little bit 2.38 shares. Not much. We definitely will probably be increasing this now that it's going to become a weekly pan ETF. We see that in June we had a payment of 174, July 155, and 141 here in August. The most recent payout, as we go to dividend history, was 59 cents. Okay, and for the year they've had $4.44 paid out year to date. 53 cents, 56, 63, 73, 73, 65, 59. Not bad for a stock that's between 17 and $20. Look at the 52-week high right quick. So it's been between 15 and 21. It's a pretty steady um, position. It doesn't use losing out of NAV, so to speak, NAV erosion. Next on the list is going to be Roundhill. This is a weekly paying ETF by Roundhill Investment, QDTE. We have over $2,000 currently with an average price of $42.43 and 50 shares. Now, when this get back up to this average cost or more, I will probably consider taking and either selling completely out of this position or maybe selling half of it and buying YMAG and some YMAX. I either will hold a small position here and add to those two positions in YMAG and YMAX, or I will sell all this together and split it up between YMAG and YMAX. All right, let's see what let's go back, see what we got paid out. All right, so we on the 30th we got 1563. I canceled the sale because I was looking to get out this position, but I decided to not to do it. All right, and then on September the 6th, we got to pay out $16.47. All right, so year to date, they paid out $8.11 for a yield of 1971 for a weekly paying ETF. You can see it is a lot because it got paid out every week. So I won't list all these because that'd just be ridiculous, but I'll just scroll it up and you can see what they've paid out weekly. The lowest look like it might have been 14 cents. Their highs look like maybe 56 cents. So that's not bad if you've got a nice position and get a little weekly income. You can also offset your margin account, help keep your margin balance down. Last and not last and not least, we got good old Coney. Uh, Coney. All right. So currently it's $12.50. We have a market value of almost $29,000. We're currently down just under $5,100 for 15%. Our average cost is $14.75. We did add to this position, increasing it from 16 to 1800, from 1800 to 23. We bought 500 shares, I believe it was Monday. We wanted to increase this position here, but let's see what we got paid out in our dividend history. All right, so September the 6th, we bought 200 shares of Misty at $11.30. On September the 9th, we bought an additional 500 shares at $11.87. So that helped brought down our average cost to $14.75, which is great. One of the benefits if I decide I wanted to get out of Coney position, and let's say Coney has a pullback, well, if it goes up to like it did previously, the $30, I can sell all out and have profit, or I can shave off some and buy another position. But we do see here that on the dividends for September 9th, we got $1,669.12. That's very, 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 very nice. Considering it only paid out $1.04 per share times 1,600. You say this times 1,600, that gets my price. So imagine with me having 2,300 shares at this, we would have had over $2,300. And then imagine when when Bitcoin starts to run back up and Coinbase starts to move, and we're getting this at that 2,300 or more. I may have some more before then, but look at these 246, 269, 279, 228. I don't see under $1 at all. Came close right here in August. But yeah, this is great. So year to date, they paid out $20.57 per share in the past year with 165.92%. Oh my goodness. Let's make some money, baby. All right, so yeah, that concludes our dividend payout for our Robinhood account. We were down just over a week. We were down to almost 20,000 to 21,000. We made a nice recovery in the past week, as you can see here. This is where we were September the 6th. Boy, boy, I was like, boy, I hope I don't get margin call. But here we go. And then yeah, then we started to creep up, and we've been making recoveries. So this is good. This is good. All right, that's it. I'm out. You all have a good day. Peace.